gear oil change time. This is the wife's Shadow 750, and we're gonna get into this guy. All the tools you need for this job are right here. You need some gear oil. This is Hyfoid gear oil, as in, whoop, right there. Hyfoid gears. This is an 80W90 made by Lucas. You need a 17-inch socket for the fill hole and a 6mm for the drain. I took the bike around the block just to warm things up, and this process is super simple. Let me set you guys up on a tripod and we'll get this done. Okay, so here's where we start. Let's pull this guy off. Now, the book says you got to do this every 20-some odd thousand miles. This bike is just over 14 or 11, I'm sorry, but we're gonna handle it right now anyways. It is super simple, doesn't take a lot of time, and there's no reason why you shouldn't do this probably every other oil change, just to be on the safe side. You do it on the side stand, and as you see, this is coming out. It's a little bit over full because it's supposed to be full at the threads, so that's about that much over full. Not a huge deal. Pull off the drain. And it needed to be changed. Let this drain for just a second. And while that's going on, I'm going to open this guy. Okay, it's done. Clean this off with paper towel. And you just want to kind of tighten this guy up. You don't want to crank down on it because you don't want to strip it. This is metal going into aluminum. And, or I'm sorry, like a steel bolt going into aluminum. They're both metals. So just snug. You get a funnel. Clean this up too. We're going to pour this gear oil just until it drips. See the difference in color? That should about do it. See, it's there at the threads. Not too tight, just snug. And there you go. That's the extent of that job. Little Lucas, 2 tools, and 5 minutes. Have yourselves a great day.
give me a thumbs up if this was helpful.